Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about the Shopify Meteor Mega Menu app. Now, it's in the name, it's an app, so it's something external that you will have to install. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First off, when you start off from the dashboard here, you'll see that there's a search bar up here up top. You just want to click on that and you want to search Meteor Mega Menu. And you'll see that the app pops up here, right? If it doesn't pop up there, you can search here on the Shopify App Store. Now wait for it to load. Now here you'll see that you'll be put into the Shopify App Store right here. And you'll see that there's the Meteor Mega Menu and Navigation app installed here. So just click on that and then click on Install. Wait for it to load. Now it'll prompt you to install the app like this. You can see that it can view your personal data, and it can also view and edit store data. This is pretty normal for Shopify apps, so just click on Install. Now wait for it to load. Now you'll see that it'll prompt you to choose a plan first. If I choose on free, let's select plan. Now we can start building our menu. So there's a couple of things here. When you first install the Meteor Mega Menu, there's account and plan. This is where you can see your account and your current plan, which my one is called free. There's also general settings here that you can configure, but this feature is not available in your current plan. This is the custom CSS styling, so you'll need to upgrade your plan if you want this. There's also help and support here. Of course, this is the help center and also the support, but let's get back to the main one here. Let's click on Launch Menu Editor. And in here, this is the menu editor UI here. You can click on add menu item here, for example, and I'm gonna call this, for example, just example. And then you can search your page here or a link you want. I'm going to do pages, and my pages is contact. I'm going to click on add, and it'll show up like this, right? I'm gonna click on add menu item. I'm gonna add another one. This one's gonna call a thing, and this time it'll be my home page. I'm gonna click on add, so it'll be like this, right? You can also see what it looks like on mobile as well. You can select the mobile layout if you want. You can make it drawer, stacked, image grid if you'd like, but this is a pro feature. You can also see the mobile styles as well. You can change the font size, the text transform, the font spacing like this. You can also change the font color here. You can add in your own hex code even if you'd like. Nevertheless, once you're happy with it, just click on save, and then you can put it on the theme you currently on, and then you have to enable the app, right? It'll redirect you to here. Make sure it's enabled just like this. Click on save. And now you see that the menu has been replaced with our menu that we just made earlier.